Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to Mrs. Jackson's Math. Today we are doing lesson 4 in chapter 2. So we have our 2.4 right here, and we need to start with my name. So if your name is Oliver, you're going to write Oliver. If your name is Michaela or Paisley, you're going to write Michaela or Paisley. If your name is Raylyn, you're going to write Raylyn. But since my name is Mrs. Jackson, I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. And I need to write my date next, which will be 4-2-20. Okay? And our lesson today is going to be focusing on adding doubles from 1 to 5. So what is a double, you might ask? Well, let's look. Here's a double. 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 You might have noticed that if you look at them, doubling means the same number. So 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5. And even though we are only going to 5 in this lesson, I shared also 6 and 6. Okay, so these are our dominoes, and again, if you want to or if you have them at home, you can use them. If your parents have them, awesome. If not, don't worry about it. Okay, so let's see what our question asks. It says, you have 3 balls. Your friend has 3 balls. How many balls are there in all? So we're using our 3 and 3 double. So I'm going to use my material, my manipulative, 1, 2, 3 to put in one basket, and I need 3 more to put in the other basket. 1, 2, 3. So my equation is going to be 3 plus 3 equals, So here's my double, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. My double is going to be 6. You can also do it by 2s. 2, 4, 6. So my whole is 6. My parts are 3 and 3. And they're called doubles because they are the same number. So 6 balls. So now we're at the Apply and Grow practice page. We just worked on how to do number 5, so I want you to do that on your own. And same with number 6. You are ready for that. Now, number 7 and number 8, I also want you to do those on your own. Okay? If you need to use your materials, use your materials. If you need to use your fingers, use your fingers. If you know it right away, awesome. Okay? And number 9 and number 10. Okay, I'm going to let you guys do number 9 on your own, and I'm going to work on number 10 with you. I'll model number 10 for you. Okay, and it's a 4 plus 4 double, so I can use my dots there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, all right. Now, this is an excellent checking of understanding right here, this digging deeper. I'm going to model with you the first one, and then I want you guys to figure out this equation, and this equation, okay? So I know my whole is 6. So I'm going to think back, and I'm going to write 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now I'm going to cut it right down the middle, just like so. Now I can see what my double is. 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 makes 6. I want you to go ahead and do the same for 5 the same for 9, and the same for 2, and see if it works. Let's see. I think we should do this one together too. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait a minute. This one doesn't have a double, because if you see, it has an unequal side. One has 3 and one has 2. This is not a double, so we would cross it out. Okay, so you're going to check these two and see if they are a double or not. So this one is definitely a double, so I can circle it. Does that make sense? All right. Remember, you can always ask me questions if you need to. You can get a hold of me through text messaging, through Remind app, through email, through calling. I'm here for you, boys and girls. Now we're on the practice page for lesson 4. That means you are ready to complete all of these by yourself. I want to see your own brains doing this right here. All the way from 1 to 6. That's all you. You got it, boys and girls. You can do it. You're rock stars. Here's the back side of our practice and the last page in our math packet for the whole week. Okay? And so we are going to circle the equations that you can complete using doubles. Okay? So we are going to draw our lines for each of our equations to make sure we can make doubles with them. I'm going to do this problem and this problem with you. And then I want you to do this one and this one by yourself. Okay? So let's start with this one. Number 3 is our whole. So let's go ahead and go 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. They're not equal on both sides. This is not a double. I will cross it. Okay? All right, so our whole is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, they're the same. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I can see that it's a double. It's my 4 and 4 double. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. I want you to check it out for your holes here. Draw your circles and see if they are a match or not. See if it's a double or not. Okay? Number 8, modeling in real life. Newton and Descartes each have the same number of linking cubes. There are 6 linking cubes in all. How many linking cubes do Newton and Descartes have? Okay, so I have Newton's linking cubes and I have Descartes' linking cubes. Okay, now I already know what that's going to be because you can take your picture here and go 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Or you can draw your picture for 6, because that's your important number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you find that your double is going to be 3 and 3. Okay? So 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 linking cubes in all. So Newton has 3, Descartes has 3, and there are 6 all together. Okay. All right. Now our last couple questions have pictures, and it wants you to write the equations. So there are 2 hippos in the pool and 3 hippos out of the pool. So you're going to write 2 plus 3 equals And same with your zebras. You see some zebras here and some zebras here. You're going to do plus equals So you guys can do 9 and 10 all on your own. All right, boys and girls, as always, I absolutely love you. I hope these videos have been helpful for you this week.